Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily manage your content using Wix Studio CMS. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing one, the platform's intuitive tools make it simple to add, organize, and customize your content. If you've ever struggled with content management, I'll show you just how straightforward it can be. Add a cell to the top and another one to the bottom. Adjust the size of the rows. And change the background color. Add a repeater. We'll need 8 items with 4 in each row. Increase the size of the gaps. Click on the first item and set overflow content to hide. Remove the background. Add an image. Adjust its size and position. Replace it. Let's shift it right a bit. Now let's add a stack element. Adjust the font size and color of the text. And replace it as well. Add a shape and replace it with the play icon. Make it white. Place it in the container. Now let's see how we can easily finish the rest in Wix Studio CMS. Click Create Collection and select Start from Scratch. Add fields. And now we just need to fill them out. And repeat the same steps for the remaining items. Now that everything is done here, click on the repeater. Go to CMS Connections and choose your dataset. Now click on the image and connect it with the image field. Repeat the same steps with the remaining elements. Click on the icon and add a hover effect for it. Change animated element to stack and add the move animation. Adjust it. Add another hover animation. Change animated element to image and add a custom animation for it. And here it is. You've seen how easy it is to manage your content with Wix Studio CMS. Adding and organizing information is straightforward, and making changes later is quick and hassle-free. No need to worry about messing up your design, everything stays in place. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.